Hello students, in this video we are going to studying about 9th standard computer science chapter 4 topic adding field to a table. How to adding field to a table. Access 2007 allows you to add field to table when there are two ways to adding a table. First one, working in datasheet view which looks like a spreadsheet. Second one, working in design view where you are able to see more controls for your field. There are two ways to adding field into a table. First one datasheet view, another one design view. Okay. Next, how to switching views. Next topic, how to switching views. To switch views, select the views command group from either the home tab, datasheet tab, and then select datasheet tab and the ribbon. Then select the view option you would like from the menu. Okay, this is home tab. You first one select the home tab and then select datasheet view. Okay, first select on the ribbon, this is the ribbon. Next first you select home tab, then select datasheet view. Next topic, adding field in datasheet view. How to adding field in datasheet view. By default, Access 2007 create one field in each new table. The ID field. This field auto number to give each record in the table a unique name identifier. Recall that record are the rows in a table. In default, Access 2007 create default one field. That field is ID field. This is the ID field. Okay, this is identify the what is the use of ID field? This is used to identify the each records. Next, to add more field to a table in datasheet view, double click the add new field header. Here this is the add new field header. You double click on it, then you type the field name. Okay, the new field text will disappear from the header. Name the field by typing the name directly into the header. Press the tab key on your keyboard to move to the next field. You type the field name and field heading, then you move another field. You want to move another field, you must press the tab key. Okay, next, how to adding field in design view. In design view, the field name are along the left hand column instead of across the top like datasheet view as seen below. Here in datasheet view, field name is available in left hand side column instead of across the top like datasheet view. Okay, how to add a new field to a table in design view, just click in the cell where you want the new field, type the field name. Just click in the cell in a design view. Just click in the cell, then you type the field name. Okay, just only click in the cell means one box. Okay, just click in the cell, then type the field name. In design view, you have many field property options you can set to ensure that data can only be stored in certain format. Setting these options is a good idea if you want to make sure that data you have, your database is good, strong data. In design view, many of field property options you have. Here many of field. This one ID field, this one title field, this one author first, author second. Many of field property you create. Okay. Next, deleting field. How to delete a field? To delete a field in datasheet view, just click on the field header, then select delete from the field or column command group. This is found on the datasheet tab on the ribbon. Okay, just click on the field header, then press the delete key. The field is deleted in datasheet view. Okay, next, setting the data type for a field. How to setting the data type for a field? Access 2007 lets you control how data can be entered in each table field within your database. This is done using data type. The default data type is text for every field after the ID field, which was the auto number. You can change the data type setting in two ways. you can change the data type. Data type means for number data write only number data type. Alphabets write only character data type. Okay, this is a data type. They how to change in two ways. In MS Access 2007 having two ways you are changing the data types. First way is data type and formatting command group on the ribbon. Second way is data type column in design view. First type from the data type and formatting command group on the ribbon. Second type from the data type column in design view. Okay, next from the ribbon. First type from the ribbon. To change the data type from the ribbon, click on the field header, then select the data type want from the drop down menu next to the data type command. Here this is the data sheet view, and then select type. You first only select it, then choose any one data type. Okay, this is the method of from the ribbon option. Next, in design view, to change the data type in design view, click the field name, then press the tab key or on the keyboard. From the drop down menu under the data type column, select the format you want. Just you change the data type in design view, click the field name, then press the tab key. Okay, then press the tab key on the keyboard. Then the drop down menu will be appear on the screen. You select any one data type. Okay, the data type is more noticeable when the database is being populated with the record. It will cause data to be formatted for currency, text, number, and date and time. This is Microsoft Excel. This is the data type. First one text, memo, number, character, date. These are the data types. Okay. Next, how to adding records to table. Adding records to table. When you enter records into your table, you are populating the database in Access 2000. You can do this a few different ways. How to add records in a new record row. First step, click the record row with the asterisks that appear at the bottom of the table. This is the asterisk symbol. This is the asterisk symbol. Just click on it. Okay. Second step, type the data into the appropriate field. Next, type the data. Next, hit enter or the tab key to move to the next field. Hit enter key or tab key. Any one key you press. Next, move to the another field. Next, how to editing records in table. Step, scroll through the records or use the navigation button in the navigation bar to find the record to edit. This is the navigation buttons. You are using this navigation button. Next, you are moving one field to another field. Next, do the next step. Click the cell containing the information that must be edited. A pencil icon appear to indicate edit mode. This is the information. Okay, this is the information. Type the new information into the field. Click outside of the record row to apply the changes. Next, you move. This one is typing. Next, click the tab key. Next, this one is typing. Next, click the tab key. Next, this tab key, press and move to one cell to another cell. You are typing the fields. Okay. Next, finishing your in typing. You are finished. Then click outside of the record. Okay. Next, how to delete a record. Select the record you want to delete. Then right click and select delete record. If you want any one record you delete, then right click and select delete record option. Okay, a dialog box appear on the screen telling the action cannot be undone and asking if you are sure you to delete the record. You click on the yes button, then your record to be deleted. Okay, when you delete a record, the record number is permanently deleted from the database table. If you delete the last record from the table and then add a new record, your new record number will appear to be out of sequence. Here 13 is deleted, then this record is moving here. Okay, so this is the MS Access 2007. Okay.